Full details in the blog post linked in the description. The blog post will be kept up to date with any new details that appear. The remote control. It might be the case that a volume button is stuck on the remote. To work around that, all you need is a pin or a knitting needle. Such thin devices should help you loosen each button carefully. Try to be as gentle as possible though. You don't need to plug the buttons out of their sockets. Small tugs around the corner of each button should do the trick. Another thing that could turn the volume of your Samsung TV up could be the switch on the screen, which could also be stuck. This is pretty easy to resolve too. Instead of a pin, you need a more sturdy object this time. Anything thin enough, yet still strong to lift the button back in place will do. Software updates. There is a possibility that there is a software bug causing the issue. You can turn on automatic software updates by going Settings, then Support, then Software Update, and ensure Auto Update is turned on. Alternatively, you can manually update over the internet by clicking Update Now. HDMI cables. It could be the case that the problem is being caused by a problem with the cables connected to the TV, especially the HDMI cables. It would help to make sure that they are connected properly. If you happen to have another HDMI, try using that as instead and see if it solves the issue. In addition, some Samsung TVs have an HDMI cable check to ensure they're working properly. If your model supports the test, here's how to perform it. Set your TV to the HDMI port you want to test. Head to Settings, choose Support. Pick Self-Diagnosis. Select Signal Information. Choose HDMI Cable Test. Lastly, select Start Test and wait for the results. If you find that the cable is damaged or faulty, replace it right away. The Auto Volume feature. The auto volume feature in Samsung TVs is like the autopilot on an airplane. It's like having a personal assistant who automatically adjusts your volume based on what's happening on the screen. Unfortunately, this could be one of the causes why your TV volume fluctuates. Here's how to turn off the feature on newer models. Open the main menu. Head to Settings, then All Settings. Pick Sound. Choose Expert Settings. Select Auto Volume to turn it on or off. Try doing a soft reset. Often, a soft reset is all that is needed to solve issues on a Samsung TV. A soft reset does not erase any data. To soft reset a Samsung TV, you simply need to turn the TV off, then remove the plug from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds, then put the plug back in and turn the TV on again. Try a hard reset. The hard reset involves completely resetting the TV to its factory defaults, and your data will be erased. To do this, do the following. Turn on the TV and press the Home button on the remote. Go to Settings, then click General, then click Reset. You must then enter a 4-digit PIN number, which is 0000 by default. Then click Yes to reset the TV. The TV will then turn off once it has finished resetting. You can now turn the TV back on and set it up again. Try taking a look at the comments. I will also keep the blog post linked in the description, updated with any new fixes that appear.